Are you locked indoors? Getting bored watching TV, video games? Looking for a fun activity? I have a great idea. Let's make a comic strip. In my last video, we discussed about book reading. So, a comic strip activity you can do after reading book or with your imagination or creativity. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. You must make a comic strip because it helps you to exercise your art skills, creative skills, and your language